Before setting up your computer, you have to request some credentials to access and to request your certificate for the Polimi network. You can do it accessing to a computer in one of the labs in the Polimi Como Center, or compiling the module that you can find on the website. Once you've done it, the most important thing is to add your MAC address to the list of the devices that you want to connect through the Polimi network. The MAC address of your device, if you have a Windows PC, simply opening your terminal and writing ipconfig/all. Okay, first thing is to connect to the Polimi network. The network name is Polimico Open. Once you've connected, just open a browser like Mozilla or Chrome, choose whatever you want, and select a website. I choose Google. So this is the website of the Polimi, and you have to request a personal certificate. This is just a simple form with exception, it's not a problem. Simply advise you that you are in the network, and here you have to type the credentials you've received in your email when you asked to log in the network. Okay, just a few seconds, and now we are in the website. So we have to request a certificate, a user certificate. A height grade is okay, and we have to submit. Few seconds, and the system will generate a key, and then we will have our certificate. Once it's this page, you have to install the certificate, and then you have to open the options of your browser. You have to go to the advanced options, then encryption, and then view certificates. This is the certificate we have, and we have to make a backup. Simply choose where you want to save it and choose the name. It will be requested to input password. Choose whatever you want, but remember it, because later this password will be useful. Okay, successfully backed up. Now we can see I saved on my desktop. We can see on my desktop the file name certificate. Okay, we have to install it. So double click on the certificate, next, next, and here we have to input the password that we typed some seconds ago. Again, next, next, it's really simple, and end. This will import the certificate in your system. We have to open our control panel, network and internet, network connections and sharing, and then we have to manage our wireless networks. We have to create a new network. The name should be Polico Alt, type of security VPA Enterprise, encryption type TK-IP, and then next. Once it's ready, we have to change connection settings. Go on security and choose for the security type WPA Enterprise TK-IP, and for network authentication method choose Microsoft Protected PEAP settings, and then we have to change some things, some stuffs. So first we have to uncheck validate server certificate, the one on the top. Then we have to select the authentication method, and it will be smart card or other certificate. Configure, and here we have to check user certificate on this computer, use simple certificate selection, and uncheck validate server certificate. Then simply click on OK, again OK, and then advanced settings. Once you're there, you have to specify encryption mode, and you have to select user authentication, and then again OK to confirm. OK to save the settings, and simply close. Right, this is the last step. We have to configure our proxy. So let's go again to the options, advanced network, and choose connection settings. Okay, here we have to select manual proxy configuration and input like tptp proxy proxychart.com.polimi.it on the port 8080. You must check the box use this proxy server for all the protocols, otherwise it cannot work. Again, okay, you've got your well set up system, and the last thing is to connect to the network. So you have to go and connect to Polyco score out. Just a few seconds for the connection. Maybe it will request you to confirm the certificate, and you will be able to surf the net. Goodbye, have fun.